If you're building integrations in ServiceNow, sooner or later you'll need to write a scripted REST API. In this series, we're going to create one from scratch, and then we're going to secure it. Hi everyone, my name is Jason Nichols, and I'm a Principal Technical Trainer at ServiceNow. A scripted REST API is a web service in your instance that defines how external clients and applications interact with your data. What can they see and what can they do? You decide, because you're the one writing the script to enforce it. Web services are how applications talk to each other, so if you do work with ServiceNow, this is going to come up. If you've watched my original series on this topic, then welcome back. This is a major update. The platform has moved on significantly in the 3 years since. The UI has changed and the security section for APIs, but as well as in this video series, has grown significantly. And there's also a new tool worth knowing about, Build Agent, which can scaffold an API for you in seconds. We'll come back to this later in the series. This series is for anyone who is working with web services in ServiceNow, especially those of you who are relatively new to the platform. I'm assuming that you have at least a basic working knowledge of what web services are, some foundation in the ServiceNow platform, such as tables and access control rules and that kind of thing, as well as some basic knowledge of JavaScript, the Glide Record API, as well as the JSON format. If you're still getting started with any of that, I've put some excellent resources in the description below. And you don't even have to leave YouTube. Just head over to the ServiceNow Developer Program channel. Across this series, we're going to build a scripted REST API from scratch using get, post, put, patch, and delete. We're going to look at how the API differs from the table API that ServiceNow ships its platform with. We're going to secure the API properly using access controls, OAuth, authentication scopes, and the API access policy. And we'll harden the script against attacks that real APIs face in the wild. And we'll also take a quick look at the tools you can use to test and monitor the API. And we'll do all of this inside a scoped application called Vehicles API. And I'm going to show you this in the next video. Each video builds on the previous one, so if you're following along in your own personal developer instance, you'll end up with a complete secured API by the end. But the videos are also short and focused, so if you want to drop in and out of a specific topic, then you can also do that. So that's the plan, a scripted REST API secured the way you would want it secured, as if it were working in production. In the next video, I'll walk you through the Vehicles API application and the table our API is going to expose.